Hey there! For today's activity, we'll be working on shapes together. Let's try identifying our shapes and coloring them in. And the last one says triangle. Which one is a triangle? This one. Let's color it in with a pink pencil. We're all done identifying the shapes. Very good work, everyone. I hope that you'll join me for the next activity where we'll do a shape quilt.